Welcome to the Amoolah-Keto channel for the tastiest and easiest keto and low-carb recipes. Today we'll be making lupin filo pastry with an example later of how I use them for spring rolls. So straight into the ingredients, I have 1 cup of egg white with a dash of salt. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of gelatin. Here I'm using agar-agar, and then whisk. After whisking, here I'm adding half a cup of lupin flour. The good thing about lupin flour is that it doesn't absorb the oil and will leave the filo pastry nice and crunchy. And then we whisk again. Here is the resultant mixture that we quickly made up. Then using a frying pan, preferably a heavy cast iron skillet. Let's leave the frying pan to warm up slightly before use. And this is for the best results, we really need a cast iron skillet. So when warm, brush on the mixture. Here you can see I'm brushing it on with a silicone brush. I'm going to try now to close any spaces I see. So you can see it's a thin layer, but it will quickly start drying up. So close any spaces, and then naturally you can see the corners of the filo pastry will start to curl up naturally. So this is an indication that the filo pastry is done. So you can see here it's easily removed and quickly done. Then I'm going to pop it on the other side, same thing. And then there you go. Here is my filo pastry. Pop it on the side, and then I'm going to keep doing the same thing to see how many sheets I get. So you can see the end result is a respectable amount of filo sheets. They're not sticking together, they're malleable, they're easy to use, so we can use them in savoury and sweet dishes. We can fry them, we can air fry them, and we can even use them in the oven. So I'm going to quickly show you how to make my favorite and easiest spring rolls and how great these sheets are. So here I have a spinach mixture. On a frying pan I cooked some spinach and added some oil. Then I beat in 2 eggs. Then I added some white or black pepper and salt and feta cheese and mozzarella, and I ended up with this really nice mixture, which you can see is still hot. So let's take one of the filo sheets we just made. I'll be using the side to place the mixture on the browner side because the other side we will be browning later. Now I'm spreading the side that I'm going to be placing the mixture with some creamy cheese, maybe even Philadelphia if you would like. Now taking some of the spinach mixture, place it on to the creamy side of the lupin sheet. Now make sure the mixture doesn't go over the sides, and then we're going to roll, taking in the sides, and then roll. You can see the sheets haven't ripped, still very malleable. Then we're rolling, and now we've ended up with one spring roll. Here are my spring rolls. I ended up with 8 pieces. They look great. So with the rest of the filo sheets, I'm going to put in a plastic baggie, and I actually can store these in the fridge, not the freezer, in the fridge for future use. So I'm going to brush the rolls with melted ghee or butter. After brushing, we can sprinkle some oregano or some black sesame seeds. Then we're going to place into the oven for 15 minutes, 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit till browned. Here they are after 15 minutes. You can see they're lovely and brown, crunchy. They smell great. Still keeps its shape. Let's look at them after when they've cooled down. So we've left these spring rolls to cool down. They're still nice and brown, still retain their shape. Let's look inside. Nice and crunchy. There's a lovely cheesy spinach mixture. So please let me know. Please like and subscribe. Any questions, any comments, please leave them below. And until next time, stay tuned for more tasty keto and low carb recipes. Have a good day.